Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Kubota third function valve kit is probably one of the most sought-after accessories for Kubota tractor owners looking to expand their machine's capabilities, allowing you to effortlessly switch between various attachments like grapple buckets, snow blowers, or pallet forks, significantly boosting your tractor's versatility and efficiency for various tasks from landscaping to construction. This video will provide you with a comprehensive guide on how to select and install this game-changing kit. Number 5. Summit Hydraulics Kit for Kubota. This kit enhances your Kubota tractor's loader capabilities, adding a powerful third function for increased versatility. It's perfect for tackling tough jobs that require multiple functions simultaneously. Now you can effortlessly curl your bucket and close your grapple at the same time. This kit significantly improves efficiency and reduces the time spent on tasks. It cleverly uses your loader valve's power beyond port, making installation seamless and avoiding complex modifications to your tractor's hydraulics. The kit includes a new joystick handle with integrated push buttons for easy control of your third function. It's intuitive and simple to operate. With a solid aluminum housing and high pressure ratings, up to 5,080 psi, it's built to withstand the rigors of demanding work. It's a reliable addition to your Kubota. Everything you need is included: the valve, joystick, push buttons, and a detailed installation manual. Get it installed and start working quickly. What we like. It allows you to multitask with your loader. The integrated push buttons offer convenient operation. If you need a durable and efficient solution for your Kubota B Series tractor, this is the one for you. What people say. Worked on my tractor like a charm. Had an issue, emailed them, got a replacement part next day. They also answered many questions about fitment before I purchased. Number 4. Summit Hydraulics Valve Kit. This kit is designed for Kubota BX series tractors, enhancing your machine's capabilities. It's built to handle tough jobs and provide reliable performance. It features a robust aluminum housing, ensuring durability and long-lasting use in demanding conditions. This design is built to withstand the rigors of daily operation. It boasts impressive pressure ratings, reaching up to 5,080 psi on ports P, A, and B, and 3,050 psi on port T. This makes it suitable for a wide range of hydraulic attachments. With a flow rating of 15 GPM, it ensures efficient operation of hydraulic implements. This high flow rate means quicker cycle times and increased productivity. The number 8 SAE O-ring ports provide a secure, leak-free connection. This prevents blockages and ensures consistent hydraulic performance. It includes an ergonomic joystick with 2 momentary push buttons for easy and intuitive operation. This design reduces operator fatigue and improves control. The joystick mounts directly onto your existing loader joystick shaft for a simple and straightforward installation. This minimizes downtime and simplifies the upgrade process. What we like. Its solid aluminum construction ensures durability. The ergonomic joystick enhances comfort and control. If you value a comfortable and reliable setup for your Kubota BX series tractor, this is the best choice. What people say. The kit works well. Kit bolts right on and works great. Fits and works just as described. Number 3. Summit Hydraulics Kubota BX Third Function Kit. This kit adds a powerful, electronically controlled hydraulic function to your Kubota BX tractor. No more expensive factory upgrades needed. It features a joystick handle that replaces your existing one. 2 integrated push buttons let you control your cylinder with ease. It boasts impressive performance with a maximum operating pressure of up to 5,080 psi and a flow rating of 15 GPM. It's built to handle demanding tasks. Everything you need is included: valve and coupler mounting brackets, plus easy-to-follow installation instructions. Get it up and running quickly. This kit transforms your tractor, adding versatility for various attachments and applications. Unlock its full potential. We're committed to providing reliable, high-performance hydraulic solutions. Experience the difference. What we like. It offers electronically controlled hydraulic function without breaking the bank. The included push buttons make operation easy. If you are looking for a complete and user-friendly kit for your Kubota BX series tractor, this is it. What people say. Valve functions perfectly, much faster actuation than expected. Kit comes with great installation instructions and all parts necessary for installation. New control button switch installs on actuator control arm and looks and works like factory installation. Number 2. Summit Hydraulics Third Function Kit. This kit enhances your Kubota tractor's capabilities, adding a third function for versatile operation. It's compatible with several Kubota L-Series models and loaders. Now you can perform multiple functions simultaneously. Imagine curling your bucket and closing a grapple at the same time, all with ease. It features an upgraded joystick handle with integrated push-button switches for quick and easy cylinder control. No more struggling with levers. It boasts a solid aluminum housing, built to withstand tough conditions. It's designed for lasting performance and reliability. This kit offers impressive performance with high pressure and flow ratings. It's ready to handle demanding tasks. Everything you need is included, along with clear instructions for a smooth installation process. Get it up and running quickly. What we like. It enables simultaneous operation of multiple loader functions. The push buttons add convenience. If you need a robust and versatile solution for your Kubota L-Series tractor, this is a great option. What people say. Excellent product for my Kubota L3301 with the LA525 front-end loader. Plenty of hydraulic power generated for my implements. If you're looking for a third function valve kit so you can use a grapple, this is one to buy. Super easy to install, took me about 25 minutes without any hydraulics experience. Works flawlessly. Crazy easy to install. I was a little overwhelmed when unpacking the box, but less than 20 minutes and I was done. Number 1. Summit Hydraulics Third Function Kit. This kit adds an electronically controlled hydraulic function to your Kubota tractor. It's a simple and affordable way to expand your tractor's capabilities. It easily integrates with your existing loader valve, eliminating the need for costly factory add-ons. Installation is straightforward, and instructions are included. Now you can effortlessly operate grapples, augers, snowplows, and more. It allows for multiple functions at once, like curling a bucket and closing a grapple simultaneously. It features a robust solid aluminum housing, built to withstand even the toughest jobs. It's designed for reliable performance and long-lasting durability. It boasts impressive specs, a maximum operating pressure of up to 5,080 psi and a maximum flow rating of 15 GPM. It's ready to handle demanding tasks. The kit comes complete with everything shown in the image, plus easy-to-follow installation instructions. You'll have everything you need for a smooth installation. What we like. It lets you use multiple functions at once, saving you time and effort. The straightforward installation process makes setup a breeze. If you're looking for a simple yet effective solution for your Kubota MX series tractor, this is for you. What people say. Kit arrived and it was exactly as described. It took me about an hour to install with no problems. Added this to my MX 5200 and it works perfect. Came with all the hardware and zip ties, and everything seems to be top quality. This kit is momentary on, meaning when you press one button on the joystick you send hydraulic fluid one direction and it stops when you release the joystick button. Press the other button and hydraulic fluid flows the other way and stops when the button is released. I can lift the bucket/plow plus operate the third function simultaneously. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.